Hello and welcome to Infoline's Information Booth. Right, today I'm fed up with all this amount of plugs. Some of it I can't help, but only one of these is fast charge. And sometimes if you've got a couple on high charge, it doesn't do it fast. So that's Rekavin, or however you pronounce it. And that's a 4-port one. And we've bought this, and we've got one for me, one for the wife, either side of the bed. If I didn't show it there, these have just come today, and obviously two of them, but I only need one this side. Comes with this protector on. Can we get it off easily? Yeah. Now that doesn't actually say the symbol of the company name on it. Let's see what it says underneath. No, that's strange, but this is meant to be two 20-watt USB-Cs. So let's plug it in. Let's unplug that. Plug that in there. Unplug that one. Plug it in there. Alright, let's test an Ultra with damaged screen and my tablet. Right, back with my tablet. So that's the white cable. Let's see what it says. So it's on 94%, so it's not going to show as much. But let's see what it says. Right, that's plugged in. 94%. And it lit up blue. Normally it only does 6 minutes until full. So let's leave that one there. Let's get the Ultra. Oh, it's on 92%. Make sure I get the proper cable. Yeah, there. Let's see what it says. 92%. Fast charging, 13 minutes until full. That one's still 13 minutes till full, so that means it's working. So I'm really happy with that. Gonna get that plugged in the Wi-Fi side, and now we've got two fast charging. Really happy with that. So that's the Rekavin it's 4 USBs or 2 USB-Cs and 2 USBs. Fast charging, 2 times 20 watts. Or 40 watts if you just plug it in one, I think it is, but we'll see about that. So hope that helps if you're looking for a decent plug, and any questions, don't hesitate to ask. So thank you for coming, and don't forget to press the like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.